Okay, ladies, fast video here. I have 3 things here I'm going to show you as far as tax prepping goes. Hopefully you're not saving this for the last of the year. And if you are, hopefully some of these suggestions will help. If not, some of these ideas will help you start your 2016 off perfectly. I am hiding in a room today. The kids are off, but wanted to show you currently what I'm using. So what I'm using right here is a file box like this with the flip top lid, and inside here is hanging folders. Now we have posted some links regarding different categories you can use, and I have a folder. So for example, here's January. Here's January, and within my January red folder is manila folders with all my different categories where I can throw in my receipts. Now, this is kind of one of those things that keeps you organized with your receipts, but you also have to find a way to implement them during tax season or provide them for your CPA. Currently, right now with my CPA, I provide my bank statements and I have my receipts to back it up. But you'll want to talk to that person as your company grows. When I first started, this is not how I did it. I started out with these little envelopes, and each envelope was labeled with the month. And I would carry these around in my planner all month long. And as I had receipts, I would throw them in there. Now, I often saved it for the end of the year to put them in categories and to get them ready for my taxes. But for sure, this is an easy way to make sure right away you're throwing those receipts in here that you want to use as a tax deduction. Finally here, I have the neat receipt. For those of you that like to keep things nice and tidy, the neat receipt, you can buy several different kinds. This is just the scanner. You can scan in business cards, receipts, documents, expense reports. It can help you do lots of things. I'm not really techie. It was pretty easy to start with. I just haven't spent a lot of time with it, but hopefully this will be where I will go to next. There's lots of different things that you can get. QuickBooks is recommended by my CPA, but most of it comes down to keeping good track. I mean, you can print off trackers for mileage. I keep a little notebook in my car and just write down my mileage, where I'm going, what I'm doing, what my start-stop time is, and you again can talk to your CPA or tax accountant and figure out which is the best way for you. So these are just 3 different ideas that I've used or have used that you could use. Again, the file folder with months, each month, and then manila folders to break up the categories. That's what I'm currently using. So that's like that, nice and tidy. You could do the receipts in the envelopes. There you go. Another idea would be to have a trapper keeper with a clear see-through sheets in it where you shove the receipts in there, and you could also break that up into categories like I did in my box. And then things like Neat Receipt, where you can scan a receipt and you could digitally file them depending on if you're techie or not. So I hope that helps. I will be loading a few other quick things. I know there's several apps you can use on your iPad and that you can use on your phone. So I'll see if I can dig those up for you. Catch the Tuesday training today, and I can't wait to see the way you're going to organize in 2016. Thanks, ladies.